Snyder Cut, huh? Tomorrow, yes. So, hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Faraz, and guys, tomorrow we are so gonna get the official trailer of Zack Snyder Justice League. I mean, the official Snyder Cut, Justice League Snyder Cut, and whatever you can call it. I mean, he is the only director who get to do this do-over kind of thing. I mean, the thing which happened in Endgame, obviously, and it is a do-over. I mean, the guy was paid he was given a budget of $70 million to do this, to complete his vision of Justice League. And to be honest, it is necessary. It is very much needed, and we all want it to happen. We all wanted it to happen for a long time, and it's finally here. And the movie is gonna be releasing on HBO Max on 18th of March. And right now, I'm gonna look at a few teaser, small glimpses. Obviously, I mean, I don't think, but it is quite obvious that these glimpses are from the official trailer, which is gonna drop tomorrow on 14th Feb, around according to, I mean, the time difference and all, if we calculate that, so around 10 or 10:30 p.m. here in India. And these few glimpses, these three teasers, trailers, and small glimpses of 17 seconds, Zack Snyder dropped them on his official Twitter and Instagram account. So without wasting any time, let's just get to them, let's just check them out, and then we're gonna talk about it. Oh, yes. See, this is what we wanted. This is what we are crazy for. And this is what we wanted for the first time. And Joss Whedon just ruined it for everybody. Oh, music, the goosebumps. Oh boy. See, it's like we haven't even seen the original Justice League. I mean, it's like whole other movie. Yes, literally. I mean, it is like a whole different movie, yeah. And this is really exciting and something to look forward. And I mean, it's gonna be 4 hours long. And in this teaser, we saw Darkseid in one glimpse. And what was that? Behind Darkseid, there were some other creatures too. I'm not familiar about them, so sorry about that. And in the first one, we saw Superman in black suit, so that is quite awesome and amazing. And this is honestly, yeah, this is looking entirely a different film. I mean, Zack Snyder claimed that the footage is around 70 or 60% footage is totally entirely new footage, which we haven't seen at all. And Justice League was a 2 hour movie. So what the hell? What went wrong, guys? What went wrong? I have no idea, but I'm damn sure that this is gonna make up for it, and it should have been. It should have been the case of the original Justice League. And the excitement level for this thing is just tremendous, so tremendous. I mean, it is just outstanding that the way Zack Snyder is doing this thing, and it is inspiring, yeah. It is so inspiring that he get first of all he get to do this do over thing with his own movie, and now he gets to complete his own vision. I can clearly see that here the Steppenwolf is entirely different right now. I mean, here you can actually see him as a villain, real villain, not just a CGI character. You can feel him in just this teaser. So imagine what would be the case in the trailer and what is gonna be the case in the movie itself. I mean, it's a 4 hour long movie. So yes, I'm excited for it. And if I'm not wrong, one more teaser is left. So let's just check that out too. Then we will talk about it completely. Whoa, what's he standing on? Oh. Man, he sure know how to keep up the excitement of everyone. I mean, what the hell was that? I mean, the one where Batman was standing on something. That wasn't Batmobile. I'm sure that wasn't a Batmobile. If anything, it was a Bat tank. That was definitely a tank. Oh my goodness! So many things are gonna happen in this one. I'm already very excited about it, guys. And tomorrow, when the official trailer will be out, I'll be checking it out. I'll be reacting to it, and be sure to check that out too. I mean, stay tuned for that too. And in the meantime, please drop your thoughts down in the comments below regarding all this teaser. What you guys think? We will get to see Darkseid, Superman in black suit, and not with that stupid mustache CGI and everything. And so many other things. Steppenwolf, we finally have a nice villain in a Justice League movie, and so many other CGI stuff. It is just phenomenal. It is just absolutely amazing what he has done with this movie and his vision, and everybody is so excited about this. I'm already excited about this. So guys, please drop your thought down in the comment below about this movie, about Snyder Cut, about Justice League. What do you guys think? Will it be worth it or not? So whatever thoughts are, please drop them in the comments below. And if you guys really like this video, really like this reaction, then please hit that like button below. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push the notification bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. Until then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep supporting.